Well, here in Rhode Island, state leaders are calling the Supreme Court's decision a victory. They have already begun the process of setting up a website to get almost every Rhode Islander covered by health insurance. Eyewitness News reporter Susan Hogan continues tonight's in-depth coverage with a look at how the law impacts Rhode Island's young adults.
Well, because of the Affordable Care Act, 7,500 young adults in Rhode Island are covered by their parents' health insurance. If the Supreme Court had struck down the law, they'd be out of luck. 24-year-old Chris Wilson from Providence is a nursing student with no job to pay the bills. He relies on his parents to help pay for his health insurance.
And I'm a nurse, so professionally it affects me greatly.
When you're young, health insurance is not usually a priority, but Wilson is grateful for provision in the Affordable Care Act. It enables young adults to remain on their parents' health insurance until they're 26.
I have a position where I travel to different hospitals and fill in at different times, and it's allowed me to see and decide the area I want to live in, but underneath my parents' insurance I'm able to do this.
If the Reform Act was not upheld, students like Chris could have been dropped by their parents' insurance company. And for many young adults like him, having to pay for health insurance while you're still in school or grad school is really impossible, especially if you're unemployed. So now with this, there's certainly that peace of mind. Chris, along with 7,500 young adults in Rhode Island, are now breathing a sigh of relief.
So without this, I would have had to either quit grad school and then go back and get a full-time position and stay working rather than continue in my careers.
Now, two of the nation's largest insurers, United Healthcare and Humana, recently announced they would have voluntarily maintained some aspects of the healthcare reform, including coverage of adult dependents, even if the law was scrapped. I'm Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.
Well, you can count on Eyewitness News for in-depth coverage of this historic decision. Go to our website, WPRI.com, for details on how health care reform will affect you. See key components of the law and a timeline of the contentious health care debate.